There is a new tool in news in the last week. I've also covered this in our AI newsletter yesterday. Today I thought I will make a detailed video for the community. GLM 4.5. It's a unified model for reasoning, coding and agents. In the last few months, there has a lot of buzz around AI agentic tools like Manos, ChatGPT took out agents, and other big platforms are taking it out. Why does JLLM matter and why am I talking about this? It is one of the latest flagship LLMs from Zifu AI. This is open source. That's the reason why people are talking about it. Totally, they have 355 billion parameters and 32 billion are active among that. And it unifies reasoning, coding, as well as organic capabilities. It competes with GPT 4.0, the latest Claude 4, even Gemini 2.5 and others, ranking number 3 across the 12 industry benchmarks. I will just go to the official blog of this particular website where they have given all the details about the benchmarks. You can have a look at all these 12 industries that are here in details and see how does it perform. And I personally don't believe these benchmarks, but it gives you a direction of how these large language models and AI agentic systems perform. The good things about this, while I was going through this article, I will be sharing this on the description, but one feature that really calls out is the dual thinking mode. The dual thinking mode is the thinking mode for complex reasoning and the tool use, whereas the non-thinking mode for the fast responses that is there. And then the agentic power, this native function calling that is there, and the context window is 128k tokens, which is big, and the top tier scores on the TAU bench, as you can see here, which and the BFCL version 3, which are the one of the biggest ones that are there, which is doing considerably well, being it an open source with not so much funding like the open AIs and the Googles of the world. And if you can see more about the performance highlights, both in the terms of LLMs as well as in terms of the agentic, it is more or less comparable. That if you can see regarding the superior tool use, highest tool calling success rate is 90.6, as you can see here, whereas for the competitor like Claude Sonnet and Kimi K22, it is a little bit better than that as well. So this is in details. I will not be able to go in everything that is step by step, but if you can have a look in details and take it, understand which is the use case that you need to work for. All the details, everything that it has been given here, and the score that I was mentioning, these are the benchmarks. A lot of people ask me what are specifically these benchmarks. These are just ways to go through different tests and how they are performing. And as you can see in MMLU Pro, which is a reasoning, it is very competitive on this MMLU Pro, AME24 and GPQA, and it excels in the STEM reasoning as well as in coding. It is strong across the SWE bench, terminal bench and real world coding tasks that are there. Similarly, in agentic tasks also, it is doing very well, outperforms Claude 4 Opus on the Browse Comp, which is a web browsing benchmark that is there. There are a lot of real world use cases. You can see the demos of this particular thing where they have created a Flappy Bird game in few prompts that are there. You can build very easy full stack web apps via chat and different prompts, very similar to Manus. But it is one other alternative, and I will also do a quick test while I'm speaking. It can generate slides and posters with visuals and contextual designs that is there. It can create this game that I mentioned. You can all try this as well. They can create amazing websites in very few prompts that are there. It supports agentic frame workflows in tools like Claude Code as well as Roo Code that is there. So this is amazing. Now how you can go and try it out, right? It is available on a website called z.ai. It is available in Hugging Face as well as GitHub. There is an open wait. So if I go here, if I just click z.ai, you will be getting something like this. This is your thing. You need to do a sign in, so I am doing the sign in. You can continue with Google, or you can if you want to try, but I recommend you to continue with Google, or if you want to put an email ID, you can do that. I will just give my one of my email IDs. I will give them access here as well. And once you're logged in, I'm not sure, this is the first time I'm doing this demo in front of you. So let us try, because we are running the AI challenge right now. Let us try to do a full stack. They have given you some examples here of some games or something. You can try to play around with this. And digital good karma, code a shareable merit counter with an admin panel. So this is something that they are asking to create. So we are trying to create one simple application, and I just want to take that example just to show you quickly, or every one of you can experiment with it as you speak. So this is something like happening in Manus. Try it out until it is becomes paid and there is a credit system. Try to explore this, and also for the people who are building applications for the challenges, these are some very amazing platforms that you can explore. It is doing the end-to-end things that are there. I'm just trying out something that was given a default. They had a game here, so it is thinking, it is creating the full stack message. While it is doing these things, you can also send a specific message to edit or to iterate how things are happening. We will resume after a couple of seconds till it has done something, and I think it is fast. The good thing about this application is it is doing everything by itself. In the background, it is giving you a specific the code, what is happening inside, the front end, the back end, the API call, everything that you can see here. And even they have done a database, the simple database that is there. So if you can see shared merit box, so they have created something here, a total merit accumulated by our community. So if I do add one, then I will get total merits 1. Share positivity and spread throughout the community. So this is something that they have created. And they have the whole backend code. If I click code, you can see all these things that are there that they have created, custom DB examples, everything. And this is the website. So if you want to click publish, I'm not sure. It's also giving us this thing, open a new tab. So this is something that they have even deployed. So how this will work, just to show the power of this, once I click +1, and then it will be there. Then I keep doing that. It will take more. So let me just try to keep on adding. So we can keep on clicking. So total merits accumulated by our community, share the positivity and spread merit. It's just a very simple example to show how these applications work. So you can try out different applications. So you want to try out a if you want to try out to make a snake game, so let it deploy. Then we will try to also create a snake game or any application using an a chatbot using an API call. You can do that as well. Suppose you want to build a simple fitness bot, and you want to use your own OpenAI API key, you can do that as well here. So let us try to do this. This is one example. Let it deploy, page will refresh automatically. So what I can do here is I can give them my API key. I can go to get your API key. So it is good to, because most of the applications you will be requiring an API key. So you can take your API key, like I am taking it from my Google Colab here, and once I take this Okay, then I go to this. It is taking some time to deploy, so I am going to give here use my open AI key to build a simple fitness and diet app. Create a professional website that uses LLM to give personalized workout routine and diet plan. So this is something. Then I have given it my open AI key. So I'm giving it the LLM, the power to LLM. I don't want to hard code it. I want it to be generative. So let us see. I'm running this. So it is taking some time to deploy. Maybe the deployment is not that well, but I'm just giving an idea of how to do this. So now I have given this. I'll help you create a fitness and diet app using your OpenAI key. So it gives you all the steps. So first is setting up an OpenAI API integration using the provided key. Then it is creating the fitness and diet homepage. If you see, it is working in the backend. It is taking some time. It is trying to refresh the page that is there. And I will give it a couple of minutes and I will just rewind. After running for approximately 5-10 minutes, it has an amazing web page. So a celebration here. This is something nice. It has a page. It has some keys. It is still doing the work. If you can see, it has finished the, it has created the API endpoint. So there are a 7 steps process. It has done this. It is doing the 7th step. It has completed the 6 steps that are there. So I just wanted to resume my recording. I wanted to show you live how it works. So end of the day, using the power within the GLM website, it is very similar to something that Lovable is doing, Manus is doing. It is just one other alternative. I just want to see the power of deploying, whether it is able to be you are able to deploy this or not, or you need to pay a paid version, because till now I have not seen any credits or something. Manus also, when it initially came out, it created a huge buzz. People did not have access to it. The GLM 4.5 till now it has not yet created that much buzz. Maybe people are a little bit overwhelmed by the existing AI tools that are coming up. Manus was one of the first ones that was there, which was doing everything other than the ChatGPT. So it created a huge rush and a huge waiting list. But this tool till now, hopefully it is going to pick up very soon. That's the reason why I'm doing this recording right now. Today I'm showing you the whole development, the whole end-to-end application now. So my NPM is running. It is initializing it, and let us try to play around with it. So this is AI powered. So end of the day, when I'm clicking anything, it is using an LLM to give us an answer. So let it complete. I will the application is running successfully. It checked everything. It checked if you can see what are the things that it has done. It has given you all the 8 steps that it is there. So it created the did an OpenAI integration with my key. It created a professional website design. It created a user profile system, and it also gave us all the different details that are there. They gave us the, so this is something that is nice. It gave us the front end. So in front end they used the Next.js. Backend they used API routes. AI integration they have used the 3.5 turbo, which is one of the OK LLMs. Then the user experience they have used clean tabbed interface, the features, and these are some of the key features about smart profile collection, basic details that are there, and AI generated plans, error handling, and everything, how it works. Professional landing page, navigate to respective section, provide personal information and goals. Then how does AI generate the plan? So OpenAI creates the personalized recommendation. views the detailed plan that is there, as well as you can generate or reset. So let us just try it out here. I don't want to publish it right now. I just want to first check it here. So let us first do start a workout plan. So it asks me different details. And this is something that is there. So it asks us information. So I will tell my age, gender, male, my weight is around 95, height is 180. So this is mine, I'm just giving here. Fitness level, I am beginner. I did not give any information. It took it by itself, which looks nice. So I am a beginner. I can say myself beginner. I am light active, and a fitness goal to lose weight and be healthy and active. Health condition, back pain. So I have back pain, so I don't want it to give them lower back pain. That is there. So these are the required fields that is there. So I have given everything here, and then I click generate workout plan. So once I click generate workout plan, if you can see, it is this thing and embed page preview. So it is trying to look at it. There are some errors. So here, if you can see, this is giving an error, fail to generate a workout plan. So there is some issue here. So let us just try nutrition before I ask it to check something else. Quickly I will do here, lose weight. So why am I doing this? Because I want to prompt it together. Nothing, I will just put here. It's mandatory, right? Health condition none, dietary restrictions none, just for the gender is male. So now, unless you don't fill it out, it is not going to do it. So it is giving some error in the workout and nutrition. So what I'm going to go here is, I tested the workout and nutrition by filling the all the details, and I get error for if I can copy this, it will be nice. Fail to generate diet plan, right? I will just mention get error, error pop-up, fail to generate diet plan, please fix this error. Do I need to sign in something? Let me just confirm here, because here they have asked me how it works. Sees, navigates, fills out. No, I don't think we need to register, login, because if that was an issue, they would ask us to please log in and then do this particular thing. So now I have did this. I tested the workout already, and I get error, failed to generate diet plan, please fix the error. So I'll help you fix the error with generating diet plan. Let me first check the deployment logs to see what's happening. So it is checking invalid view range. So it is in the backend, it is doing something. Let us give some time. I can see the issue. The error is 403 country region not supported. Okay, so this means that the OpenAI is not accessible from your current location. Let me modify the code to use. So it is doing something. So it's not able to use my OpenAI key. Okay, it is something to do with my OpenAI key. Maybe the OpenAI key is not integrated with this. So they are using the ZAI web dev SDK. So they are using the GLM's own web app. It's a good learning for us. So let us just wait for a couple of seconds to do that. So you get the error. So this is happening because I'm using an OpenAI integration in a GLM, which is there may be some issues with the API key. So that is the reason why is it giving error. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to fix with their own SDK, which is something nice. Let us see the response in couple of seconds. So now we have something. They have fixed something here. If you can see, They have, before they were using open AI key, they were getting this error. Now they have what they have done is they have fixed it with the web SDK. So let us quickly check the particular thing quickly. Let me just, I will just give something here quickly. I'll just give some things that is useful and I can relate to it. And lose weight and be active. Lower back pain. So we want to check whether everything's working or not. Generating. So now if you see, it is not giving me the pop-up error, so it is taking some time. Let us see whether it is able to work on it. But I hope you saw how things work. My message was so the AI service temporary available. So at least it gives you the whole structure. You can also go to the code, you can look at the code, you can download the code, test it out. It should work. It is not as smooth as Lovable, but this is a free version that we are using. Maybe this is something very complicated that I have built, but it at least gave you the whole structure and everything. It is just that right now it is, maybe you can just try again it is just that we are using the SDK. Maybe this error is not actually a application error. This is a timeout error, because a lot of people are using it. We are using the free tier, so this should not take you away. And also this is available if there is a local deployment that you can do with VLLM and SGLang as well. You can use the API compatible. It is also compatible with OpenAI endpoint via z.ai API. It uses MOE architecture mixture. It uses this particular architecture MOE, and with deeper, narrower layer for enhancing the reason. It also incorporates the this is the norm that is there, QK norm, Moyon optimizer and multi-token predictor that is there. So this is something that it is doing. All the details that you can get is from the GLM 4.5. If you just Google GLM, not GML, you will get all the information about this. And the website that I was showing you, this particular blog, all these details you will be getting here. And the multi-token prediction is very, very amazing. It is also used trained with reinforcement learning. You can see this is the model architecture. More about MOE, it's a newer concept, and all the latest models are using this as well. And it is also trained with reinforcement learning via SLIM, an open source reinforcement learning framework built for agentic tasks. Why it matters, right? Why am I talking about GLM? It's not just any other LLM. It's a general purpose agentic model optimized for real world reasoning. And not only that, also coding and interactive task completion. You saw within few prompts I got a amazing front end back end tool. There is little bit issue with the API because of the timeout, but you can try it out with simple use cases and it is going to work. It's open, it's powerful, and it is built for developers pushing the edge of what AI agents can do. Try GLM 4.5 today till it is available for free. Go to z.ai, use the API to build your own tools. If you're serious about building with agentic AI, this is a model worth integrating into your stack, as well as explore this. Put in the comments of what you have learned, what are the best practices. Thank you everyone for watching this detailed video. I'm introducing this software and this tool to you first hand, as well as giving you a live demo. Everything was unscripted. I wanted to share with the community as I explore and learn, and of the research that I have done about this amazing GLM new era of agentic AI systems. See you in the next video.